So welcome. Yeah, thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Thank you for visiting this channel. All right, welcome officially. My name is Adioshun Timileyin Matthew, known as Amoo. People address me that way. Yeah, I'm a filmmaker, a screenwriter, and a film director. If you are just seeing me for the first time, maybe I've not seen my works or that. So this channel is mainly created to help people, help creative minds. Yeah, creative minds. Because for you to choose the path for screenwriting, choose the path for filmmaking, you need to be a creative person. So helping creative ideas turn into reality. That is what this channel is meant for. And on this channel, I'll be diving deeper into screenwriting tips. And filmmaking insights, and some secrets about industry that you don't know. That will help your career as a filmmaker and as a screenwriter. All together. So whether you're a beginner or a pro, this channel is meant for you. Whether you're a professional expert, this channel is meant for you. And on this channel, I'll be dropping weekly content. As God is helping me, I'll be dropping weekly videos just to engage us. So see this as a creative space. See this as a creative room. Yeah, see it as a creative room. And in my next video, we'll be discussing about, I'll be analyzing some script writing, some things about script writing, and I'll be discussing some challenges faced by screenwriter that you should not face, or maybe you are facing it, you see your faults. We are going to discuss what should be done, what is not to be done, so far as filmmaking is concerned, so far as script writing is concerned too. So if you are saying this, also I'll be in some of our videos, we'll be having interviews with some industry professionals. So if you are here and you are seeing this video, this channel is meant for you. Everything will be discussed. Just subscribe, like, and share this video. Also, that comment section, comment if there are things you want us to discuss, you want me to shed more light into. Just drop it there. I will attend to you. You are somebody that I will respect. You're a creative mind that I will respect. Drop your question. I will answer it in some of my next videos. Are we together now? So just subscribe, share this video, like. Thank you. Welcome to my channel. It is free. It's not that you are paying money for all this. Just help subscribe, like, and share this video. God bless you. So see you in my next video.